Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with the hair dryer and I have some blues and Pebeo iridescent green blue. It's a windy day here in Slovenia today. And some white and 16 by 16 inch canvas that I will reuse because I didn't like the previous pour. So I have Brilliant Blue by Amsterdam, Prussian Blue, Phthalo Blue. I have some RG from these Little Piggy Pigments, just a little bit for some shimmer. This is the only shimmery paint. No, it's not. This is Iridescent Blue, Green Blue by Amsterdam, Pebeo, sorry. It's a shimmery paint too. And what I was thinking is to pour kind of white and some brilliant blue here for a sky, and here will be a chaos pour for the kind of water. Let's see how this will work. So I will pour quite a lot of white here. And I will drizzle some brilliant blue, as I said, and I will blow this out. Then and maybe we can add a little bit of RG here too. Okie doke. And here I will just pour those blues, darker ones, or how can I say, for the chaos blowout. You hear the wind? Really windy. This RG. Okay, I will drizzle some white here too. A little more of this dark Prussian. Okie doke. So first I will blow out this part. put a little more paint here to blow this bottom part, but for now I like this, what I see. Yeah, I like it. Let me just... do these corners. And I like that this bottom part is not totally white, that it has some color in it. And this kind of flow, love it. I think that I will just leave it like it is. I will just torch it a little bit for the air bubbles and I will be done. I have some temptations to blow out a little bit on these two parts. I don't know why, but I'm just afraid that I will ruin the whole thing, but because I kind of like it like it is. I like this kind of, you know, flow and move of those colors. Yeah, I will leave it for a change. You know, sometimes in fluid art it's just so hard to stop because you want to change just one part maybe that bothers you and you can ruin the whole thing. I need to cover this side here and I will be done. Yeah, I like it. Let me take you down for a close-up. So here she is. I really like how this looks. I did got some little cells from algae. Here is one cluster and just some here and there, just enough for my taste. So here is the border that I kind of tempted to do something more with it, but I will not. I will leave it, because when I look at it from the distance, I think that it's just okay like it is. I don't want to mess with it anymore. I think it's just, whoop, I was afraid that my hairdryer will fall down. Yeah, I just like it is. Really do. I will not be able to show you the dried results again. I'm just so behind with videos. I just don't have, I don't know, I'll struggle a little bit with my motivation lately for painting. I know that maybe you don't want to hear that, but that's the truth, and I want to be truthful, not faking anything. Yeah. I just think that I will add a little something here, with just this, on this cluster of blue. Let's do that. Just miss a little color here. And I will use this tool Yeah. I like it now. I'm done. Yeah, I'm done. Next time I have enough paint left, and next time I want to do maybe more of the blue for the sky, kind of. and maybe add a little bit of yellow or something to have kind of a sunset look. Tell me what you think. Should I try that? Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!